Today let's go and explore the Blue Star compressor of the indoor unit, which I've uploaded in the other previous video. Let's keep going down to the air conditioner area. So my air conditioner of outdoor unit is at 5th floor, so let's go there quickly. Keep going in the lift. 3, 4, and 5. Got some old compressor stuff here, so let's keep going. Nice, we can see the top of the temple there. So let's zoom into our air conditioner. So this is one air conditioner of Blue Star. This is one more unit of the Blue Star. Blue Star. Just listen to the compressor now. One more right here. Yes. This one is making more noise than this one. Let's listen to the sound. Wow, the sound's great. This is a very old Blue Star fixed speed non-inverter compressor. Guys, this noisy outdoor unit is my room's compressor. This Blue Star unit is my outdoor compressor. We had a great trip on AC compressors of mine, and thanks for watching. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.